cinnamon stick, star anise, some ginger. Alright, we're gonna roast this bay up like nice and just like have a nice aroma to it. Beef. Nice and thin slice. Some green onion. Cilantro. There we go. Let's fire this one up. And we got a soup stock here. Alright. While we wait till our frying pan get hot, we got some onion, some garlic, cinnamon stick, star anise, some ginger. Alright, we're gonna roast this bay up like nice and just like have a nice aroma to it. So we're gonna add some cilantro in there too, giving that a nice aroma. Just roast it up a little bit. Oh, in there. Easy. We also have a chicken stock that's ready. We're gonna put that in there. My chicken stock just stopped, nothing in there yet. Okay. Oh yeah, get that aroma going. Roast it up a little bit. A little bit of blackened now, so it should be ready soon. We don't want to be too brown, just slightly. And it's probably like 2 serving or just 1. Okay. We'll turn that one off. Move that oil in there, our soup stock in there. We'll put them in there, right in there. Perfect. I mean, we can drain it out later, right? So, all right. Then we have some oyster sauce, sugar, a little bit of fish sauce, a little bit of a salt. Put them in there. Give it a flavor. Pretty good. Clean it all out. Yep. Give it a little taste. You're gonna add just a little bit of fish sauce. Should be good. All right, we'll wait till that boil up, and then we'll drain it into another pot. Get the aroma of the ginger, garlic, cinnamon stick, and everything in there. We'll wait till it boil up. Come back. Okay, looks like she's boiling up real good. We're gonna add some our homemade meatball in there. Cut them in half. Let it boil. Suck all the juice. Okay. So let it boil up like that way it is. Okay. Give it another taste. Okay. Alright, let's while this thing boil up, slow it down a little bit. Let the meatball cook slowly. We're gonna go dress up a noodle bowl. Let's go. Hey, here we are. We're gonna place a noodle. First, we're gonna get some salad green. I mean, you can use some bean sprout if you want, but I like the salad green better. I mean, put them all in there. When you get hot water, there won't be much left anyway. So here you go. And we have a thick noodle, a little bit of thick noodle side. Already boiled up, ready to go. Oops. Now we're gonna put some beef in there, thin sliced beef. Nice and thin slice. Perfect. That's good. Yeah. Our pool is ready for the soup. Okay, I think she's ready. We're gonna drain this juice into the smaller pot. Okay. We'll take our meatball away. It's a giant meatball. You can make yourself, or you can buy them too, I guess. You. Oh yeah, really good. Let it boil up again. Let's boil up and then we're gonna put in our noodle soup. Okay, let's dress us up. We're gonna put some meatball into our noodle soup here. That should be good. Perfect. And we take our juice, put it in there, right on top of the beef. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, perfect. Just for one. Then we're gonna have some, add some hoisin sauce. A little bit of chili sauce. Some green onion. Some cilantro. A little bit of pepper. And some lime. And yeah, homemade po. Here is our po, Vietnamese beef noodle soup. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. See you again. Smell really good. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching. สวัสดีครับ Here we go. Okay. Put a bit of lime in there. Very good. Just like the way I have it. Not bad. Pretty good for homemade. Let's try that. Homemade meatball. Yeah, this slide. We'll try it out, see if you like it. Give me a comment. Bye.